hope everything is fine.
გაჩე როგორც გითხარი ხა მოწიე ვითომ ვერ მიდიხარ რა არ ვიცი ხე გამოიწვალე მე კადრებს დავაფიქსირე მანამდე გამოვთე მანქანა მე რეჩი I don't know what happened to engine. Let's check. I hope everything is fine. This is so hot. I think everything is fine here. My feet are all wet. Okay. This is very hot. Maybe it's a problem of engine. I tried to come over this one, but I got stuck. Oh, there is a big rock under the wheel. Maybe I should try go back and then come from the right side, but there is like stuff I can't go there. I'm gonna try.
Co? Უკან დაბრუნებისას დაგერ. არა, წინ ზევით. არ მიდი? ცოტა წინ წადიება. გაჩე? გადმო? მანქანა გადმო.
So guys, I'm very happy to find this place finally. You can see this like water standing here. There are so many frogs, voices, but it's so beautiful. And this side, like I don't know, this like woods, and there was a waterfall. This is so beautiful place. We got stuck, and I've got to in my shoes, but this was worth it because this is such a wonderful place. We can see there. You see, there is a water also covered like with leaves. I would gladly show you the car over there too, but I'm sure we won't get our face. If we're gonna have a big jeep, we're gonna go to this and show you something. This is going to be funny. Yeah, and it's really nice weather here. It's not that hot as it used to be in the city, so it's I'm so. There is a river, little river. I think it's the one we crossed where we get stuck. Yeah, and the horse. Nice. There are some mountains and my feet are so wet, all in the water, just for you. Do we want to see the engine? Ta-da! Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Cars Mania and like the video and share to give us motivation to show us more stuff, more cars and more funny videos. Thank you so much for being our guests and channel subscribers. Bye!